Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show you how to propagate ZZ plant from single leaf cutting. ZZ plant is an evergreen perennial tropical attractive foliage ornamental houseplant in the family Araceae and native to Eastern Africa. It is commonly known as Zamicalcus zamifolia. ZZ plant is a very easy to grow and low maintenance, low light house plant. In this video I am going to show you how to propagate ZZ plant from single leaf cutting. First of all, cut any healthy leaf. Take a well drained pot and fill it with some coco peat. Take a leaf and plant into the coco peat. Don't require any rooting powder. It is a very easy process. You can do it any time of the year. Finally, sprinkle little bit of water and keep it in a partial shaded place for a few days. It is my another 45 days old leaf cutting. Roots are well developed and new shoot come out from here. Now we plant into the same pot. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.